Hello! In front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure the watch so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try to not move too much, try to keep still. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor to show you how it works, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the measurement. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu, and here you should see the SpO2 option icon. Simply tap on this icon to open the blood oxygen level widget. And now it should start measuring your blood oxygen levels automatically. So I'm gonna put my finger on the sensor, and after a second or two, you should get your result. This number will jump around because the watch is measuring the blood oxygen levels in real time. So it's gonna be jumping around a little. But once it stabilizes, it should be your current blood oxygen levels. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back like this. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.